Just got all the new gear in. This will be out at the booth this weekend at Born Free. So got the basic prints, nice and classy. The original runs right here, yellows and oranges. We got the only pans for you dirty guys. Right here we got the guys and girls, you know, drinking and smoking it up. Oop, same logo up on the front. Then we got a different color of the original print, you know, for those hot days. But yeah, everything's all bagged, ready to go. If you guys want a shirt, hit me up on the Instagram, or my website will be up in the next week or so here. Just trying to finish up some last little things. Got them in mediums to XXs. Back at my shop today. Jeff and Clinton are over here trying to get this bike done. Jeff's been working on the headlights for the last 3 hours. Me and Clinton are getting the back done. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. Yeah. How's that?
Looks pretty good.
Huh?
Looks pretty good.
Do I fuck with it or is that good? Pull on it.
I would leave it alone.
Pull on that.
You're good.
Okay. Watch out, your dick on there.
Poor Jeff. This guy's gonna have the runs.
He needs to poop.
I know, I shouldn't have that Slurpee. Halfway done. Ready for the flip?
Flip it.
Woo!
Jeff's probably shitting in your trash can right now.
Oh man, like a damn glove. Look at that. There it is. So now pull this out, throw a bevel on it. I don't touch it. You know what my biggest fear is? Dude.
Scary. You be done.
It almost has to be.
You be scout.
Like, it almost has to be wrapped up doing this. It's really sketchy.
Don't show Eric. Eric's gonna be mad at you.
That's right, I paid a premium for this one. $300. Damn guy got me good with that last one. Yeah, there's your sleeve. Looks pretty good. Good knob. What do you think, Clinton?
Beautiful.
Good knob?
Let's get it from my house.
You live like 30 miles away. Oh, I forgot the grip. Thanks, Chaz. Yeah, that's a good fit right there.
Here's what I'm thinking. You roll in, pan in, under, back up.
All right. Want to pan in?
There. You're gonna.
You gotta go slow with the movements, or it's like fucking really hard to watch.
Why is there a castle nut in here?
I think somebody put that on.
That doesn't go with anything else.
It doesn't at all. It's gonna have to be changed.
It's not on very tight. because I knew you'd gonna change it.
You gotta polish this too.
I know. Dude.
Clinton's never. He's doing that so he doesn't get asked.
Man.
He's doing that so he doesn't get asked again.
Fucking Chaz, dude. Look how nice the welds are on this bar. Somebody really overachieved it.
Oh, she rolled up by herself on her bike?
She came with Sportster guy. She said she was looking for you
I
too.
didn't see these guys.
I saw him there after when
Oh,
you
they're
were.
on Glendower Mountain Road.
All right, Jeff, you ready?
It may have been a little bit more than 10 minutes.
Ready? You got this tight? Huh?
Yeah.
Down. Down. Right there. Down.
How are we on the front leg, Quentin? We're clearing, right?
You're fine. But
Yep.
your generator boss is getting close.
Oh, you're not. You need to go that way.
Back.
Yep. You're on it. There you go. That's it. Bring it down. Down, 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 down. You're good.
Okay, we're in. Okay. Down.
Down.
Shiny. Shiny, happy people.
Well, that kind of brought it to life, didn't it?
Shiny, happy people.
That's pretty good. I gotta finish the spacers real quick. Damn, that thing's fucking popping.
What is this wrench doing down here?
Damn. That's good, dude. All right, so here's the this is the bike I started the channel with that everybody's been waiting to see. It's finally done. If you're out of Born Free this weekend and I met you, it was good to meet all you. Planned on filming the whole time, but I was too stressed out and needed a little break, so had to have some fun. We'll do a quick go through real quick of this. So I guess we'll start at the top. Big old sissy tuck and roll seat. Got the dual pipes, big old blasters. Come in, they snake through the frame there, right under the bottom, so it all runs parallel. Got a custom kicker shaft I made here, kick pedal, milled that thing down. Made all these forward controls out of 3/16 stainless, which I won't do again. Turned out good though. I'm gonna have those up for production pretty soon here. And then let's see, motor wise, it's a 80-inch motor, 2 right side flywheels on it, Line Weber cab. Everything else is pretty buffed up in one way or another. Put the mag on there. Yeah, everything's polished, chrome the barrels, chrome linker. Turned out super killer. You see all the paint here that Harpoon did. It's hard to tell if you're not looking at it in person, but it changes colors at every angle you look at it. So it'll go red, turn into an orange, and then if it gets in the shade, it turns purple. So it turned out killer. Finish these bars up. They're running internal Panhead throttles, so you can't see nothing. Got the nice collars up here. Then on the inside I made other little rib collars just to slip over and plug welded them, just to, you know, make it look smoother. Yeah, it turned out really good though. Haven't ridden it yet, haven't started it. I barely got it to the show, but it's ready to go. So in the next week or so, I'm gonna get some good riding footage with this thing. I'll do a quick flip around so you can see the other side of it, and yeah. All right, here she is on the flip side. Come in here and look. So we got the same thing for the clutch. It's all in one. So everything's right there. I'll sell these as a set. I think it'll be a pretty cool killer. Another thing I did, not sure if you can see it or not, but I made this inner backing plate, I guess you'd say, inside where the main seal goes. God, can you get in there to even see it? Yeah, there you go. I'm gonna sell those as well. But yeah, everything over here is nice and shiny. Nickel chain, nickel breather. Everything else is chromed. Shift arm, shift knob. I took this clutch basket and put it on the upright rotary table and milled that out, so that turned out pretty cool. But yeah, it was a fun build. Last thing I didn't mention was this gas cap. This was fun to make. Took a Eastern, cut it in half, then cut that out of some steel. Turned out good. It's got a nice divot to match everything else. So that's it. On the next builds, and keep them coming.